5 plank restoration package. Up to 5. And then, listen, Caesar, we're going to take this off of here. Yep, knock that off. Don't put back. Okay. Just take off. Okay. All right. And they get new cap rails.
All this new?
All new.
Okay.
Across the board, okay?
That needs to stay or move?
Take it off.
Okay.
Take it off there. Just take anything besides the rails off, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna get rid of these. Just come in with regular standard deck board.
Oh, it's there. Okay.
Just a standard rounded deck board that's lighter. It'll look just fine. It'll be beautiful. Okay? That way we don't have to custom mill any of this or anything.
Braces?